So I've got this little stack of lumber here. It's 1x6s, about 1.5 to 2 feet long, and a couple of 2x4s here as well. This is all scrap wood from work, and I thought, well, I'll bring this out to my winter camp. I'll build a couple of storage boxes. I want to build a toolbox, maybe a chair. And then I was thinking, well, how can I get this wood out there? It's quite the trek. So I do have a sled out at my winter camp. It's very long, and I have to go out there, bring it back home, only to bring it back again. So then I thought, why don't I just build a sled out of this wood and then dismantle it when I get to camp. So I'm going to build the sled and then I'll come back. My sled is all complete. It's not the prettiest looking thing, but you got to keep in mind that all this lumber is very rough cut. It's not all the same thickness, it's not all the same width. This is all I'm going to bring on my next trip. I'm not saying it's going to be easy to get this out here, but it'll be a lot easier than bringing a couple things every visit. Got some paracord. Tow it. It's nice and long, so this front isn't hitting me in the ankles. Alright, I just made it out to the halfway point to my winter camp. Brought out my sled. And the reason why I'm bringing out my sled now tonight is we're supposed to get a heavy snowfall. We're under a snowfall warning. Hasn't started yet. But I brought it out now, so all my tracks will be covered up. I don't want anyone being led right to my sled. Well, I made it. It was a rough trip. The sled's all taken apart. Took a long time because this battery is cold and very weak. So what are we going to build with this? So here's my little storage unit I finished building. Took a long time. And keep in mind, all this wood is, it's not symmetrical, it's crooked. I think it still turned out pretty good. So I got this hinged lid on the top for all kind of cooking utensils. I have a little shelf here on the front, and on the bottom I built a sliding drawer. It's pretty sticky because the boards on the bottom are uneven, but I'll probably keep tools